There's a place in the universe so empty, so vast, it shouldn't even exist. That's the Boötes Void. It's a huge area, about 330 million light years wide, with almost no galaxies inside. To compare, our galaxy, the Milky Way, is only about 100,000 light years across. Most parts of the universe are packed with galaxies and clusters, like a cosmic web. But the Boötes Void is like someone forgot to put anything there. Astronomers discovered it in the 1980s when they were mapping galaxies. They noticed a big blank spot in the sky and thought maybe they missed something. But when they looked closer, they realized it really was that empty. A space that size should have had thousands of galaxies, but they only found around 60. Scientists have tried to explain the Boötes Void, but none of the ideas feel like the full answer. It's almost like the universe is keeping a secret from us. One theory says that gravity may have pulled galaxies away from this area over billions of years. As matter clamps together to form galaxies and clusters, it leaves behind empty spaces. The Boötes Void might just be an extreme example, where gravity cleared out the region like someone sweeping dust. Another idea is that the void isn't just one big empty space, but many smaller empty spaces that join together over time, like bubbles merging in foam. This would make the Boötes Void a kind of super void, a leftover mark from the early days of the universe. Some scientists half-jokingly have wondered if galaxies used to be there but somehow disappeared. Maybe a weird force in the early universe caused it, or maybe it's a clue about something far beyond our current knowledge. Dark energy, the mysterious force that's making the universe expand faster and faster, might help explain huge empty areas like the Boötes Void. As space stretches, galaxies move farther apart, so places that already had fewer galaxies slowly become even emptier. It's kind of like stretching a sponge. The holes grow bigger. Dark energy could be pulling things apart so much that it's creating these massive cosmic deserts. But the more scientists study the universe, the more questions they find. Why are some of these voids so huge? Why do they show up in certain places? Could there be signs of something deeper? Something that challenges what we think we know about gravity, matter, or even the shape of the universe? There's a common misconception that the Boötes Void is a giant hole in the universe, a vast, empty gap where nothing exists. But that's not exactly true. While it's suddenly underpopulated, it's not completely devoid of galaxies. In fact, there are 60 galaxies scattered across this vast region. Though that number is microscopic compared to the thousands of galaxies you would find in most other parts of the universe, the galaxies that are there are isolated, spread far apart with enormous distances separating them. These galaxies are like tiny dots in an infinite, dark ocean, and their isolation gives the void its eerie sense of emptiness. So it's not a hole in the universe, it's more like a vast cosmic desert with just a handful of scattered stars and galaxies. Still, it's a strange and mysterious, a place where we might find clues to how the universe evolved, or perhaps evidence of a deeper, hidden force at play. But imagine what it would feel like to live in a galaxy inside the Boötes Void. Imagine looking up and seeing nothing. The Boötes Void isn't just an empty place, it's a reminder that the universe hides more than we can see, and maybe more than we can ever comprehend. Thank you very much for watching the whole video. See you soon with another new video.